Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Carol the Diva, and today we're gonna be doing a full face makeup tutorial. I'm gonna start off by applying some concealer to my eyelid and blend that out using my wet beauty sponge that you see me holding here. And the concealer that I'm using is my Too Faced Multi Sculpting Concealer. And as you can see, I already did my brows, so I went straight into doing my eyelids. So I'm gonna be doing shadow as we go along. And after I applied the concealer, I went ahead and blended out with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder and this blending sponge I have right here. Now I'm going to start off my lids with this bronzer from Benefit Cosmetics. I'm just going to apply it on as my transitioning color. I'm also applying some on the inner corner of my nose, as you can see here. Next, I'm going to go in with this palette called the Zulu by Juvia's Place. And I'm going to be going in with this purple shade right here. So I apply it onto the outer corner of my eyes, as you can see there, and then I blend it inward towards the bottom and the top mostly. The next shade I'm going to be going in with is this gold one right here from this palette, and I believe this palette is called the Warrior, and it's also from Juvia's Place. And I'm going to apply it all over the middle and blending it in with the purple. The next shade is from another Juvia's Place palette. This one is called Festival or the Festival, and I'm using this white shade, and I'm going in on the inner corner of my eyes and I'm blending it into the gold. Next, I'm going to go in with my Garnier Serum Cream, and I'm using this as my primer for my makeup today. The foundation I'm going to be using today is my L'Oreal Infallible, and this one is in the shade 510. Now I'm going to go in with concealer, and again I'm using my Born This Way Multi Sculpting Concealer from Too Faced. While my concealer sits there and dry down a little bit, I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty contour stick to contour my face a little bit. And the sponge that I use to apply my foundation is what I'm using to blend it out. Now I'm going to go ahead and blend out my concealer, starting with my chin. Now I'm going to go ahead and set my concealer using my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. Again, I'm gonna go ahead and use my bronzer from Benefit Cosmetic and warm up my face. I'm gonna add some highlight onto my face, and the one I'm using today is by Anastasia of Beverly Hills. Now I'm gonna apply some lip liner, and I'm gonna be using these two shades by LA Colors. For lipstick today, I'm going to be using this one by Maybelline, and I got it on Amazon. I will link it down below for you guys just in case you're interested. This is the shade or the name of the one that I'm wearing right now. I love this lipstick because it's a matte lipstick, but it glides on like butter. For lashes today, I'm going to be using this one, and whenever you see the package looking like this, I either got it from AliExpress or Temu. And I'm going to be using my Kiss Super Strong Lash Glue today to put it on. To set my face today, I'm going to be using my Maven Beauty Rose Water Setting Spray. This is the finished look, you guys. I hope you like it, and if you want to see more videos like this, let me know down below in the comments. The tutorial video for this hairstyle I'm wearing today will be linked down below just in case you guys are interested. You could check it out. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment no matter how short it is. I would really appreciate that. Thank you again so much for stopping by, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.